Want to plan a stress-free vacation? Let's dive in. First top tip is to plan ahead. Don't only choose your destination, but find out the best time of year to visit, and look for activities to enjoy whilst you're there. Trust me, a little bit of planning goes a long way. Create a rough itinerary, but keep it flexible in case of spontaneous adventures and to prevent the trip from feeling too rigid. Knowing where you're going and what you're doing saves you from last-minute chaos and also helps in making the most of your time. Next, set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to spend on travel, accommodation, food, and activities. A well-planned budget ensures you can enjoy your trip without financial stress. So decide how much you want to spend and stick to it, so that you can enjoy your trip without worrying about money. Next, pack smart. Think about the weather and activities you'll be doing. Think about versatile outfits which help you adapt to changing weather and reduces the need for overpacking. And don't forget the essentials like snacks, chargers, and travel games for the kids. These small items can make a big difference in keeping everyone happy. Overpacking can make the travel process a chore. And remember, you can always do laundry on the go if needed. Every family has its own vibe. Talk with everyone about what they want to do and find a balance. This ensures that everyone has a say and feels included in the planning process. Vacations are about making memories, not ticking off a checklist. Prioritize self-care. Vacations are meant to be relaxing, so don't forget to take care of yourself. So take breaks, enjoy a spa day, or just relax by the pool. Next, be prepared to adjust your plans as needed. Plans can change, and that's okay. Sometimes the best experiences come from unexpected changes. Those spontaneous moments often become the most cherished memories. Next top tip is to book accommodation early. Booking early gives you more options and better rates. The best places fill up fast, especially during peak season. And do delegate tasks. Make it a team effort. Involve everyone in the planning and preparation stages. Let the kids pack their own bags or choose a restaurant. This not only teaches responsibility but also makes them feel more involved. And avoid overscheduling. It's important to have downtime during your trip. Whilst it's tempting to see and do everything, allow for moments of rest and relaxation. And finally, practice gratitude. Remind everyone to appreciate the little things. A positive attitude can turn any hiccup into an adventure. So there you have it. 10 tips to ensure your family vacation is stress-free and full of fun. Did we miss anything? If so, drop us a comment, and if you like this video, please drop us a like and subscribe.